not see anyone around. Happening today, Governor Walz visiting Eau Claire, Wisconsin as part of a national town.
This is a National Emergency Alert System message. NASA has detected a large, high-energy atmospheric object re-entering visual range. Federal authorities are assessing potential impact risks. If this object comes in contact with the Earth, human survival rates are incredibly slim. This isn't a definite situation. In the case of a detected imminent risk, you will receive another message on your television, mobile phone, or radio. All residents of the United States are advised to remain alert and await further instructions from emergency officials. This message applies to all U.S. states and territories. Stand by for additional information.
Stop shining through the clouds. Like, you can see the light out here, yeah. But, like, I don't know, it's kind of, like, unbelievable. Like, I can't see the two suns anymore. Like, one of them.
This is a nationwide broadcast message. All stations across the United States have been automatically overridden. At approximately 2104 UTC, astronomical monitoring systems detected a catastrophic event involving the Sun. A sudden burst of energy was observed, producing intense light distortions and heat fluctuations across multiple regions. Based on current projections, this phenomenon will become visible from Earth at 2130 UTC. Shortly afterward, global daylight conditions are expected to shift abruptly, creating a period of darkness similar to a rapid nightfall. Environmental conditions may change quickly following the event. This message is being transmitted to maintain
Attention, attention, this is the United States Emergency Broadcast Network. This message is the final transmission. NASA confirms the large Jupiter-sized fire mass is now on direct approach. Estimated arrival 17 minutes. All remaining communication systems are failing. Global relay networks are no longer responding. Broadcast facilities are operating at a minimal capacity. This network has reached the end of its operational function. Automated backups have ceased. No further updates will be possible. Listeners, we acknowledge this is the last confirmed report. The incoming object remains visible. Trajectory unchanged. Signal integrity 0. Nationwide infrastructure offline. Stand by for the final. Out. This concludes the final transmission of the United States Emergency Broadcast Network. End of. Trends.